China has been the world's factory ever since they began promoting inexpensive labor and manufacturing infrastructure as their main strategies. In addition to industrial purposes, China has invested heavily in humanoid robots, which is a primary reason behind their rapid market growth. Recently, in November 2023, the Chinese Ministry of Industry and Information Technology issued guidance that humanoid robots should be ready for mass production by 2025. In this video, we'll highlight 10 new Chinese humanoid robots poised to shock the world, especially the US, which is also striving to be the best at producing humanoid robots. Get ready to be amazed and maybe even a little bit shocked, so buckle up and join us as we uncover how robots from China are not just participating in the global tech race, they're leading it. Let's jump right in with the first Chinese humanoid robot we want to highlight, called Qinlong. China-based Humanoid Robots has unveiled Qinglong, a life-size, general-purpose humanoid robot at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2024 in Shanghai. Standing at 5 feet 9 inches tall, Qinglong has dexterous human-like hands, allowing it to perform precise tasks such as manipulating objects. On display at Weiyuk, Qinglong picked up soft objects such as bread without damaging them. The humanoid robot also picked up and put down several objects, including cups, with ease. Qinglong's built-in AI software can determine the level of strength needed to pick up a specific object. Qinglong weighs 176 pounds and has a bionic torso that offers the robot agile movement and anthropomorphic motion control. It has up to 43 active degrees of freedom, allowing for a wide range of motion. The robot is capable of athletic and off-road capabilities, according to the team. Introducing the XR4, also known as the Seven Fairies, the latest humanoid robot developed by Data Robotics. Made from lightweight, high-strength carbon fiber composite material, the XR4 stands at 168 centimeters tall and weighs 65 kilograms. This innovative robot is equipped with over 60 intelligent flexible joints, allowing it to perform a wide range of movements with remarkable precision and fluidity. The XR4 seamlessly integrates with the Data Cloud brain in real time, which enables it to process and respond to complex commands almost instantaneously. This integration is powered by the Multimodal Large Model Robot GPT, which supports multimodal fusion, allowing the XR4 to combine visual, auditory, and tactile inputs for more sophisticated interactions. One of the standout features of the XR4 is its ability to undergo intelligent training. This training allows the robot to achieve a stable standing posture, perform nimble dual-arm and hand manipulations, and even learn intricate dance routines. Galbot is a humanoid robot developed by Beijing Galbot, a robotics company founded in the Chinese capital in May 2023. The robot can grab designated items from racks, fold clothes, and open drawers and closets. The company focuses on developing robots with embodied artificial intelligence for industrial production and daily use. While traditional AI operates solely in the digital realm, EAI integrates digital AI with real-world applications, enabling robots to move, see, and interact with humans. Galbot, standing 173 centimeters tall, has a chassis that rotates 360 degrees. It can extend to reach a height of 2.4 meters and squat to perform tasks on the ground. Equipped with a system for sensing its environment and carrying out human commands, Galbot can identify specific items of different shapes or materials, autonomously navigate to them, and grasp them. According to Zhu, product director at Galbot, the robot is poised to be used in fields including automobile manufacturing and retail applications, like contactless supermarkets. The company is also exploring applications in logistics and agriculture. Limex Dynamics introduced a new humanoid robot called CL1. The Shenzhen, China-based company claims that CL1 can perform various tasks by closing the loop between real-time perception, gate planning, locomotion control, and hardware and data streams. During testing, CL1 used perception control to adjust its motion proactively. This allowed the robot to take smooth steps onto a curb, ascend stairs dynamically and fluidly, and walk down a 15-degree slope. The company tested CL1 indoors and outdoors, from afternoon to dusk, to evaluate its performance in different environmental conditions. Limex Dynamics expects its humanoid robots to be deployed in B2B and B2C applications. They plan to focus on hazardous scenarios, high-end customer service, automotive manufacturing, and in-home services. The company's environmental perception technology is a key part of the evolution of its humanoid robots. CL1 uses advanced algorithms to achieve full-loop integration of perception, controls, and hardware, according to Limex. This allows the robot to break free from the limitations of blind locomotion and achieve real-time interactive motion with its environment. The robot uses self-developed actuators, which the company claims provide exceptional impact resistance and precise, rapid torque control. All of its robots, from wheeled quadrupeds to humanoids, are based on a core set of algorithms. Expedition A1 by Agibot is a humanoid robot that stands 1.75 meters tall and weighs 53 kilograms. Initially designed for factory settings, this impressive robot also aims to find a place in household kitchens, making daily life easier for everyone. Expedition A1 can walk stably at speeds up to 7 kilometers per hour, demonstrating remarkable balance and agility. It's incredibly versatile, capable of performing a wide range of tasks, such as tightening bolts on assembly lines, using inspection tools with precision, conducting thorough vehicle exterior inspections, and even being utilized in complex laboratory experiments. Agibot's ambitious goal is to further develop Expedition A1 into a reliable household assistant. Imagine a future where the robot can fetch and pour water for you, deliver medications with care, and efficiently perform household chores like preparing ingredients, cooking meals, and even cleaning up afterward. The possibilities don't end there. In the future, Expedition A1 could be a valuable educational aid, helping children with their homework by providing explanations, guidance, and even giving a thumbs up for good work, fostering a positive learning environment. Xbot L, developed by the company Robot Era, claims it is the first humanoid robot to climb the Great Wall of China. This claim is likely accurate since most humanoid robots are still confined to laboratories or factory floors, not exploring iconic tourist sites. While the Xbot L may not be as swift as other more developed humanoids, it demonstrated a remarkable ability to navigate the uneven and broken pavement of the Great Wall. It also adeptly handled stairs and even performed Tai Chi moves upon reaching one of the wall's guard towers. Robot Era attributes these capabilities to its proprietary reinforcement learning technology, which allows the Xbot L to manage unpredictable surfaces and explore dimly lit areas effectively. Perceptive RL algorithms help to strengthen the robot's perceptive and decision-making capacity in the face of unfamiliar terrains. The robot thus can recognize complex road conditions and adjust its walking stance in a timely manner, said Yue Shi, co-founder of Robot Era, in a statement. While the Xbot L's climb may not significantly advance humanoid robotics, it serves as an ingenious promotional stunt by Robot Era, a company incubated by the Institute of Cross-Disciplinary Information Sciences at Tsinghua University in Beijing. By showcasing a humanoid robot on one of the world's most iconic monuments, Robot Era normalizes the presence of these robots in everyday settings and sparks the public's imagination. As humanoid robots like the Xbot L become more common, it's interesting to speculate about their future interactions in public spaces. In the future, we could potentially witness a new humanoid robot climbing the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Walker S by Ubtech Robotics is a practical and smart humanoid robot meticulously designed for versatility in various tasks and environments. Its core function is to become an indispensable part of daily human life, seamlessly integrating into routines and activities. Walker's advanced and flexible full-body control system ensures the utmost safety during interactions with humans, protecting users from potential accidents. Its arms are engineered to mimic human movements with high precision, greatly expanding its functionality and interaction possibilities, making it capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Walker is equipped with the ability to navigate various terrains, which makes it highly adaptable to different settings, whether indoors or outdoors. It communicates effectively with humans through a sophisticated high-tech speech recognition system, allowing it to understand and respond to verbal commands accurately. Furthermore, Walker can imitate 28 different facial expressions, significantly enhancing its ability to interact meaningfully and empathetically with humans. This feature allows it to not only perform tasks, but also to connect on an emotional level. It is not just a robotic assistant, but a genuine companion that can understand and respond to emotional cues. Quavo is the first domestic open-source humanoid robot capable of jumping and walking on various terrains. It is currently being introduced into households to perform tasks such as laundry, watering plants, flower arranging, and hanging clothes. Quavo weighs about 45 kilograms and can walk in all directions with a maximum speed of 4.6 kilometers an hour. It can also jump to a height of 20 centimeters. According to the company, compared to its first version, which debuted in December 2023, Quavo's upper limbs have significantly improved operational performance. It completes its tasks through object position recognition, terminal trajectory planning, and flexible object grasping. In terms of technical improvements, Quavo's arms have 28 plus degrees of freedom, and its ability to control whole body motion has been greatly enhanced. Quavo runs on Kaihong OS, which is based on the Open Harmony system. It has an open-source motion controller that can be connected to various modules. The Unitree G1, which stands 1.27 meters tall, is shorter than its predecessor, the Unitree H1. However, its body flexibility has been significantly improved thanks to 43 motors that act as joints. This allows it to fold for easy transport, despite its 35 kilograms of weight. Among its abilities, it can accurately manipulate a wide variety of objects, from cracking nuts to opening bottles, although not with the greatest delicacy. It also has contact sensors and can move at a speed of 2 meters per second. The robot is equipped with cameras and a 3D LiDAR system in the head to detect objects around it, while its huge battery gives it a 2-hour autonomy. Unlike the new Atlas, the Unitree G1 is already available for sale for a price of $16,000. The company has launched 2 versions of the robot, the standard G1 and the G1 EDU, the latter with greater endurance and strength in the limbs, as well as the ability to integrate an NVIDIA Jetson Orin chip, although its price has not yet been revealed. In October 2023, XPeng, an automobile-focused company, introduced its self-developed humanoid bipedal robot, PX5. After 5 months of exploration, the robot has achieved stable walking capabilities and can navigate various obstacles, demonstrating stability across all terrains. Standing around 1.5 meters tall and sporting a silver-white color, PX5 resembles the Japanese anime character Astro Boy. Resistant to shock, the PX5 can withstand impacts and remain steady even when kicked. It can also maneuver on grass and rocky terrain, play football, ride Xiaomi's self-balancing scooter, and more. Research at XPeng is also underway to develop new components to improve the performance of its humanoid robots while reducing costs. For example, the company has developed high-performance joints to achieve stable walking abilities, enabling the PX5 to walk indoors and outdoors for over 2 hours and overcome obstacles. Dexterity is another technical challenge that XPeng is actively addressing. While other companies are cautious about developing robotic hands and prefer to wait for suitable suppliers, XPeng has developed a series of robotic hands and mechanical arms. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.